Hello, LRJ Landscape Company. This is Eddie Medina, and I work with Boundless SEO, and we're a digital marketing agency. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was doing some research in your area, and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Lou would be the correct person to watch this, so Lou. Hello, LRJ Landscape Company. This is Eddie Medina, and I work with Boundless SEO, and we're a digital marketing agency. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was doing some research in your area, and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Lou would be the correct person to watch this, so Lou, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. I'm sure you're super busy. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do, or if you're working with an SEO agency, it's good to know what you have going in the background of your website. I'll be showing you exactly that on this video and also comparing it with one of your competitors around your area. All right. Let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Your website looks good. Looks like this is it here. You have a lot of content, images, all the links seem to be working just fine. I noticed the phone number is not clickable or the email. This is a bonus for an end user to have, easy access to contact you. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and the level of trust inside of Google for better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming. What I mean is it's just laying out keywords inside your content scattered without any protocol. That's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, and Google algorithms search for a more natural feel of a website. But overall, you have good content. The keywords I'll show you in just a second with our tool here. This is a good platform to have, Arrows. If you go to the website, it is a paid platform, but if you have this, it's a good platform to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. Currently, you have 132 backlinks, referring domains 18, organic keywords, this is important, 225, organic traffic 15. So in a monthly basis, you have around 15 people jumping into your website. The keywords are important. You want to get those buyer intent keywords, for example, landscape Costa Mesa, California, or landscaping Irvine, California. This is buyer intent keywords, and that's what you need to have inside your content of your website. The second thing I want to talk about are backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. A backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UR level here, and currently you're at 132. It's not giving you a lot of power. It's not a matter of quantity. Instead, it's a matter of quality. You got to get those backlinks that are high authority with relevant industry information. In this case, you're at a 9. Of course, you can improve on that. The referring domains falls under the citation group. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Any one of those websites out there that allows you for a business owner to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That's pretty much what a citation is. That falls under the DR meter here. You're at 0.2. You want to keep this at a 1-to-1 ratio and a monthly basis, improving on this by adding backlinks and referring domains. Just remember, 1-to-1 ratio is the way to go. This will boost up your website inside of Google. We've already talked about the traffic of 15 on a monthly basis. one of your competitors, Bill and Dave's Landscape Maintenance. Looks like they have a decent, they have a good website also. Jumping into their background, looks like they have 203 as the backlinks, referring domains 54, organic keywords 333, organic traffic 376 on a monthly. So there's over 300 people jumping onto their website in a monthly manner. So pretty much their backlinks are not giving them any boost. That's not a good sign. The referring domains 54, again, only out of 7. It's also not a good sign. They did have a bump up here, but they're slowly declining. Jumping back to your background, looks like you're at a steady level. So you might want to work on these two to increase the meters here. Keeping it at a 1-to-1 ratio, you should be just fine. It is a lot of work, but that's what we're here for. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls, and leads, and all that fun stuff. So this is pretty much it. Your competitor is on the first page of Google with what they currently have. This is beatable. Just because UR and DR are not at 1-to-1, and they really don't have anything going as a UR or authority. So hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.